Hey, good Monday afternoon, everybody. I'm KHOU 11 meteorologist Tim Pandages, and we're focused on some activity, some tropical activity blossoming in the Gulf of Mexico. We've got potential tropical cyclone 9. Basically, what that means is that it's on its way to becoming a tropical system, but it does not yet satisfy the definition of a tropical cyclone, meaning a close center of circulation and winds of at least 39 miles per hour. But it does pose a threat to land within 48 hours. In this particular situation, we're looking at a 24-hour window before it moves likely into South Texas. This also does enable the Hurricane Center to release a forecast track and to issue watches and warnings. Here's the forecast track. It does bring it up to a tropical storm, which would get a name that would be Harold by early tomorrow morning on its approach to South Texas, likely south of Corpus Christi. That 45-mile-per-hour sustained wind estimate, I think, is conservative because our water temperatures in the Gulf of Mexico are very, very warm, and we also have a low wind shear environment, so this could likely take a run to overachieve before it makes it to South Texas. We do see the tropical storm watches extending far enough to the north to include Matagorda County and even portions of the offshore waters of Brazoria, and that's for the potential of tropical storm force winds, although even in their text statement for the issuance of this watch, it says that those chances are quite low. So the winds will stay to our south, and unfortunately also the majority of the beneficial heavy rainfall. So future Harold does bring us a rain chance, most likely our best rain chances in weeks, but it's not an overwhelming rain chance, nor will it do much to lessen our drought impacts. And we may snap our triple-digit streak. We're on day 22 yesterday. Today would be day 23, and the increased cloud cover and that minor rain chance could keep our temperatures just below that 100-degree mark. But it's only lasting for a day because we're continued hot into the weekend. We've got more triple digits in that forecast. Here's a look at our rain chances the next 5 days. On Tuesday, we're at 40%, and that's about as good as it gets. Most likely south of I-10. You'll see that risk come on in there for some showers pivoting in off the Gulf of Mexico as this storm churns and intensifies just south of Corpus Christi. Notice the onshore flow bringing in moisture bands and the likelihood of some showers and thunderstorms. And with that overall spin in the atmosphere too, keep in mind well southwest of Houston, there is a low tornado risk too. When you get that overall spin in the atmosphere with landfalling tropical system, that risk is always there. Here's a look at the rainfall chances, though. Notice the heaviest of the rain will be right along that forecast track inland, so Corpus Christi getting a nice drink of water, but the farther north you go, the less and less rain chances. Maybe coastal areas could pick up a quarter of an inch, maybe a third of an inch. Here's a look at our heat streak. 22 days, as I mentioned yesterday, 108 at Bush Intercontinental. Today we're likely to do triple digits again, putting it up to 23, but we may break that on Tuesday. Fingers crossed. After that, as I mentioned, we're right back up into the triple digits. Very hot on Thursday and into this upcoming weekend, and triple digits look to stay in the forecast into early next week as well. Going for a high today, back up into the triple digits. 103 at Conroe, 100 at Sugar Land, 102 out at Katy. 7-day forecast has our rain chance in there, and then after that, another stretch of hot, dry, humid weather into the upcoming weekend.